So hello everybody, it's me Aslan, the CEO and co-founder of Enverson AI, and I'm going to show you how the Enverson works for the businesses. So this is the simple dashboard for the businesses, and you can add companies from here. And once your company is created and you subscribe it, so this company simply have the 10 users limit. And I go to the employees section, and I'm going to add here employees. So this is a very important part. I'm going to add here the sales manager, let's say, the role of the employee in the company. So I add the user. So user invitation sent successfully. And now we're going to check how the employee go to the application and how does it work. So now let's pretend I'm Chinara. And here I start the level assessment. This is a very important part. So now great. It says me I have to write, so it's gonna check my writing abilities. So it gives me the reading task. I'm gonna read it and it's gonna give me some questions. Great, now it gives me the listening task. I'm gonna listen and I'm gonna answer the questions. So perfect, I have finished my level assessment test and it says that I am B1 level. And here I can see some analysis and I accept the results and I go to the home page. So here I can actually set the duration, for example, 1.5 month for the one level. So 2 months, 3 months, and 4 months. So it tells me when I'm going to finish it. For example, let's say that I want to finish it in 3 months and let's set the goal. So it says that pending verification because I have to verify as an HR or a business owner. Let's check how's that work. So I see that here the Chinara finished her level assessment and she is now B2 level, and I can see here some details about her English level and English analysis, and I can see here what is the grammar percentage, listening, reading, writing, and vocabulary, and etc. So here I can see that she set 90 days for one level, but I am as a business owner, I invest in her and I want her to finish in 60 days. So I'm gonna update it and that's it. It's personalizing learning plan verified, and I can say that here she doesn't need actually writing because she is a sales manager and she doesn't need to do writing tasks, and I'm gonna delete this. So that's it. And let's check what happened to the Chinara's profile. Great, now I can see that Chinara's profile has opened and she has some tasks and there is no writing. So here is some learning tasks. Here is some practice section. There's a free talk, there's a role play section, there is a, for example, customer section because I'm a sales manager, and some role plays because of my hobbies. And here is profile. In the profile section, this is very interesting. I can see my goal. This is 60 days and there's no writing because I have already deleted the writing tasks, and each of them is only one task for today. Why is that? Because in my level, we can see here my points for the sections are very close. So if one of them was, for example, writing was a 10, probably here it would affect, and writing was, for example, 2 or 3 tasks. So they're so close, and that's why I have to do only one task for each of the section. And I have some practice goal, it's 90 minutes. And there are some rankings from the leaderboard, weekly, monthly, and all the time. So yeah, let's get started. So I can see here grammar, reading, listening, and vocabulary. For example, I go with the practice hub first, and I will start doing practice. So the very interesting part here,
How about you?
Eva, I'm visiting to California next month.
That's exciting. By
So the very interesting part here, it automatically corrects my mistake, or I can see here what is my mistake and how should I say it. And if I don't know what to say, I can get the inspiration here and I can answer here. So this is the free talk section. So these are the role plays, and this is the conversation. The conversation is something like the meeting. I am joining with a couple AIs here, and all
Welcome
AIs
everyone. Today we'll dive
start to say their opinions. So there are different AIs. I can see here what they said, and I try to conversate, or I try to have the meeting with them. So here are the learning section, and in the learning section, I can go with the grammar part. So as you see here, it explains me in the slide, and I can see here the points, and that's why I can learn the grammar in a better way. So it's going to ask me some questions, and I'm going to finish the grammar part. Yep, that's it. I finished the grammar task. I can see here some analysis, and I can continue learning. So now I'm going to go with the reading. Great. Now I finished the reading task as well. And now I can see that there is a small pop-up here says that your advisor wants to chat. This is very important because this advisor doesn't pop always when it feels that you have some grammar mistakes or it has some advices. It pops up and says you something. So let's go and see what he says.
Hey, I have some feedback about your progress. Are you ready? You've made excellent progress in recognizing and using comparatives like brighter and taller. Keep refining your sentences for fluency. Rephrasing phrases a little more accurately can really enhance clarity. You're learning so well. Keep going. Are those where you showed weaknesses?
So there is no any lesson that I showed weaknesses, and I say got it. So it automatically clears my those lessons. For example, if I say the form of past continuous in a better way, and it detects that I know already the past continuous, it clears this lesson from my plan. So which is very amazing. And for last, we have a combo session. When you talk to the AI much and you can get bored, and here you can have fun with the real people. So I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, now it searches for the partner, and once it finds, it finds the Chinara. So yeah, hello. I can see here the topic, which is game like politics and government. So we're gonna discuss together the politics and government on my own probably. So I can go next, and I can match with the different person, and I can have fun. Once I finish the combo, and AI starts to analyze my speech and says my mistakes and etc. So again, my advisor will pop up here and will say that I have some grammatical errors and I have to work on something more and etc. So it was how the Enverson AI works basically. And last, I have to show you the leaderboard here. I can see here my employees, who is in the first place, who's in the second place, and etc. And AI tutor monitoring. So here I can say that who is improving, who is stuck this month, and who is disengaging. So it helps me to understand better my return on investment. So the overall progress, what percentage is improving and who's stuck, who's disengaging, and etc. So this was how the Enverson AI simply works, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.